Marcos Tunan.
Idol! Gusto ka? Idol, 24 months ha? 24 months. So nagawa niya yung guard ng 18 months. So kaya kaya niya 24 months. Kaya kaya to. Baka nga 15 months na tayo. Wala ko I've seen you do it before. Oo. I've seen you do it before. So we're ready to fight. Sir, mag-capture na muna tayo.
Good morning and welcome to the groundbreaking of the Kapitlan Passenger Terminal Building. At this point, the President shall lead the groundbreaking and time capsuling of the Kapitlan Passenger Terminal Building that will signal the start of the project. To assist the President, may we call on Department of Transportation Secretary Vincenzo Bidon, Governor Jose Enrique Flores, CAAP OIC Director General Brandon Lucas, and San Miguel Corporation Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ramon S. Ab. We now invite the President as he presents the blueprint of the project. Local newspaper, and 50 peso coins inside the time capsule.
Gagawa, kailangan nabili ko.